Hello friends, in this episode we are going to Ammachi Palace, which was built in the 19th century. The journey is through the forest path covered with fog to a grand palace full of curious and mysterious quadrangles, passageways and great rooms amidst huge trees. We are turning from the main road to a small alley. Peaceful atmosphere without hustle and bustle. A forest road is starting from here. Due to rain, the potholes on the road are filled with water. Dense forest all around. This is the entrance to Ammachi Palace. During the Thai rule in Travancore, the title of queen belonged to the king's sister. The king's wife also has the title of Ammachi. That is how this palace, where the king's wife lived, came to be known as Ammachi Palace. There are two ways to reach the front of the palace. One is these steps. Another is a slightly wider dirt road that reaches right in front of the palace. This is the Ammachi Palace, which was full of that old grandeur. Although it is said to be a palace, today it is in a dilapidated condition. The palace is located in the middle of a forest. Although it is not an official tourist centre, many tourists come here. Ammachi Kuttikkanam was constructed by Travancore Maharaja Moolam Thirunal sometime in the 19th century. It was mainly used as a royal retreat for the wife of the Maharaja. Its upper side is beautifully finished in wood. Even though it was built with the help of the British then, the style of Kerala has been maintained. The palace is now in the hands of a private person. Therefore, no proper maintenance will save it. Its interior is completely dark. Corridors are full of darkness. The roof is falling apart. Although I was shocked at first, this is a coffin that was brought as part of the shooting of a movie. This is the dining room of the palace. These wash basins are made of marble, but everything is very dirty. The caretaker will not allow me to stay here for a long time, so I got out. By the time we got outside, the entire atmosphere was filled with fog. I decided to walk back the second way to the palace. Huge cypress trees stand on either side. The wild sound of the forest. This is the main road to the palace. and so it is back to where it started. So I said goodbye to that mysterious palace steeped in history. There is heavy snow in this place, called Kuttikkanam. I will continue this journey too. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next episode. Bye.